Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how I usually prepare the rosemary and cloves water for spraying my hair that enhances the healthy growth and reduces hair breakage. So this is the cloves. I won't be using all of it. So here's the cloves, as you can see. Yeah, I think this is enough. So you just put it in a bottle. Then here is the rosemary. The rosemary itself, the plant, you can see it's fresh. For those who don't know rosemary, so here it is, it's fresh. So this is how it's done. So you just pluck it, can see, and you can plant it the way it is. You can plant, yeah. Not all. Okay, so you can see here it is. So after that, you pour hot water. This is hot water. And leave it to cool. Yeah, you can leave it to cool for about 6 to 12 hours. Then you sieve it and pour it in your spray bottle. The more you leave it to cool, the more concentrated it gets. So you can as well pour all of it in your spray bottle, but I chose to sieve first, then use. Then the remaining I pour it in the spray bottle. So that's how I do it. Both cloves and rosemary are considered good for the hair, as they promote hair growth and protect the scalp from dandruff. So the cloves' anti-inflammatory properties can help make your hair thick, and rosemary on its own may improve blood circulation and alleviate hair fall. So there will be less hair breakage. Therefore, including both clove and rosemary in your hair care routine benefits your hair. So after that, I usually apply using the spray bottle, and here we go. So before applying, make sure your hair is clean, make sure your hair has been treated. I usually use the leave-in conditioner. So I realized before treating my hair and when I apply the cloves, the hair is usually dry and can break. So that's why I decided to try treating my hair first before applying the cloves. That is when I was not using the rosemary. So now that I'm used to it, I decided to add the rosemary because I realized using the rosemary water with cloves, it helps, especially the rosemary water helps to darken the hair. So I decided to add rosemary on my cloves water. So this is how I usually apply, and make sure after applying you massage your head, you massage your scalp, not your head, your scalp. You massage your scalp well. After applying, make sure you seal the moisture with hair oil of your choice. So for me, I usually use coconut oil. So make sure you seal the moisture with coconut or olive. You can use jojoba, you can use black castor, any of your choice. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share this video so that it can reach many people. And for the cloves water, I've already uploaded the video where I was using the cloves water only. And remember, after applying this, you style your hair according to your taste. So it's not a must you rinse it off. And you about application, you apply 2 to 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times a week. I usually apply 2 to 3 times a week. And remember, your hair should be clean. Your hair should be clean. So this is how I usually apply the cloves water and rosemary water. You can find me on Facebook as Lynn the Salonist. You can find me on TikTok, Lyn_Karen. Yeah, so this is how I usually treat my hair, and you will realize even after applying, after massaging, after doing all that, there is no breakage. Like, my hands are still clean, there is no breakage. So that's the effect of cloves and the rosemary. And just a reminder, I have already uploaded other videos on the simple daily hair routine, what you can do, how you can style your hair, the wash and go hairstyles. They are all uploaded on my playlists. So kindly watch and subscribe. Thank you.